Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look so crazy right now. Today was one of those days where I just did not feel like putting on makeup. I literally just have like my brows done and wing liner on, literally nothing else, and it looks crazy. I know this is literally one of those no makeup kind of days, but I was laying in bed sitting on YouTube like I always do, and I was just watching a ton of beauty videos. And you guys know when you see people putting on their makeup, you're just like, I want to sit and do my makeup and film. That's literally me, so that's what I'm doing right now. I got my Boxycharm base box a couple days ago, and it has literally just been sitting here in this room waiting to be unboxed. But I'm gonna do something different than I normally do for all of my Boxycharm base box unboxings. I'm gonna do a try on. This is so perfect because I have no makeup on, well, except for this, but this is so perfect because I know for a fact that there is an eyeshadow palette in here as well as a tinted moisturizer, because I did pick my shade for the tinted moisturizer as my choice item. If you guys want to see my January base box unboxing, then keep on watching. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is. It is a monthly subscription service, and this box right here is the base box, and it's $25 a month, and you're guaranteed over $125 value, which is amazing. You get 5 full-size items, and a lot of them are name brand, so you basically only paid for 1 item and you get the other 4 free. Honestly, like, that's how I see it. That's kind of what it's low-key been like for months or forever. Okay. So that's why I love Boxycharm. That's why I keep it. There's also a Boxycharm Premium, which is $35 a month, and you're guaranteed over $175 value, and you get 6 to 7 full-size items in that box. But I will have a link down below. If you are interested in joining Boxycharm, you can definitely use the link that I provide down below. But okay, let's go ahead and unbox this month's Boxycharm. So we have a card, and this month's theme is Fresh Start, which, don't we all just need that fresh start? I'm so happy that it is another year. It's a fresh start, and I truly feel like it is. I mean, though 2021 has not started out very well for the United States, but I have high hopes that it will definitely get better. What's in this box? Oh my god! Wait, okay. So the first item that I see is from Pharmacy, you guys. We got a Pharmacy product. You guys know how expensive Pharmacy is? It's expensive. This is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It is an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. It is vegan and cruelty-free, and this retails for $38. So we are already over the price of the box. This is what I mean about Boxycharm being amazing. You get to try out a ton of different brands, high-end brands at that. This is a high-end skincare brand, and this product is $38, and I only paid $25 plus tax for this box. Okay, we're gonna circle back to this. Let's just unbox it first, in case you guys only want to see the unboxing and not the try-on part. So, you know, I know there's some people that just want to see the unboxing and they don't really care about the try-on part, but okay, I got you. I understand. Next, we have this. What is this? So, this is from Serotin Botanicals. This is an apple plus Bayamine Glow Lip Mask. You guys know I love my lip mask. This retails for $25. It is supposed to boost hydration and glow with a protective lip mask that is formulated with shea butter, apricot, jojoba oil, and rosehip oils. We have a lip mask. I'm obsessed with these. That's literally my current obsession right now. Lip masks are amazing. Next, we have this tinted moisturizer from Pure, which is what I picked for my choice this month. This is a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation. Girl, what? With SPF 20, that's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. This retails for $35. This is a primer, a foundation, what else? This, a moisturizer. Okay, that kind of low-key scares me just because I feel like the coverage, I know I've tried tinted moisturizers and there are some tinted moisturizers that give you a good bit of coverage, but this one kind of scares me because it's supposed to be a primer. Next in this box we have, what is this? This is from Trust Fund Beauty. This is a Lipgasm lip gloss. It is a sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. HR is already sweating. Oh, this retails for $18. That's literally what the card says. I did not make that up. So, oh my gosh, this is way too bright. Oh my gosh, I cannot use this. It's very bright, very peachy. I think this is gonna be one of those items that I just put in a future giveaway or some sort because that I know I'm not gonna like this color at all. And then we have one more item which I am so excited about. This is from Violet Voss, you guys. I love Violet Voss so much. I feel like Violet Voss is one of those brands that is so underrated and no one talks about Violet Voss, which, excuse me, Violet Voss eyeshadows are bomb, okay? And to say she's a high-end type of brand, I mean, a lot of her palettes are cheap. So I'm just saying. And she always have 40% off sales, which is amazing. So this is the I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette. This retails for $34. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we're working with because I'm really excited about this. Oh, okay. I mean, so this is the eyeshadow palette right here, you guys. It is, to say this is an olive themed palette, it's not very olive, but there are some really nice neutrals. I see a black in here, which you know will come in handy for sure. Then we have some really gorgeous metallics, but in this palette there are like literally 3 green shades, which is crazy to say this is an olive palette. I'm not sure if this palette is exclusive to Boxycharm. It might not be. I just feel like sometimes Violet Voss gives Boxycharm the palettes first and then it comes to her site, but I don't know. But we will definitely dive into that palette today. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with this gel moisturizer from Pharmacy. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute this looks. All right, so I'm gonna take some of this. What does this smell like? It smells like something, but I don't know. It has like a green tint to it, by the way, so I'm just gonna take some of this. Ooh, this feels good. Now that I like put it everywhere, it doesn't like smell horrible. My face definitely does feel very moisturized. My skin does not feel greasy, which is nice. I love oil-free moisturizers, especially having oily skin. It is just my best friend. Next, we have this tinted moisturizer from Pure. I got the shade DG6, and you guys know eyeballing online is just so hard. So if this doesn't work, we're just gonna see, you know, we're gonna see how it works. Oh, before I put this on, I do want to go in with the lip mask. This is what the lip mask looks like. It reminds me of the e.l.f. lip balms. It's kind of oily. That's kind of weird. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see this, but it's kind of like oily. Like, do you guys see that? Oh, that's really interesting. Oh, this is very interesting. This is not what I was expecting. Normally lip masks are really like thick, but this one is not thick. It looks like a gloss, honestly. I haven't really tried a lip mask like this before. It smells good, doesn't taste like anything, but I don't know, I just feel like this lip mask would like slip around everywhere. I just feel like I need a lip mask that's going to be a little bit more, like a little bit thicker, because this just doesn't seem like it's gonna last on my lips, especially throughout the night. So I don't really know about this. Let's go ahead and try out the tinted moisturizer from Pure. So I'm just gonna put some, oh, I'm a little scared, on the back of my hand. I don't really know how this is gonna, oh my gosh, no, it's too light. Oh, whoa, that's way too light. Oh no, wait, hold on. No, this is way too light. If I sit here and like try to put this on, but then again, maybe it might blend out to nothing because it is a tinted moisturizer. Could I work with this? Could I? I don't think I can. I don't think I can work with this. Wait, could I work with this? I might could work with this, y'all. I might could work with this. You guys gotta know how to finesse it, you know, finesse. I think I'm going to go into my, yeah, it is a little bit light. I think I'm going to go into my Fenty powder foundation and kind of use that to kind of like set this in a way. I've been playing with the Fenty powder foundation, by the way, you guys, and I found a way to actually make it work for me. Oh, it doesn't look that bad on camera. Oh wait, it doesn't look bad at all actually. I like that it evened out my skin tone, and maybe it just needed to like set into my skin, you know? I do want to put on some concealer. So I just, you guys, this is like my travel, like on the go makeup right here that I've been loving. So that's what's in here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of Fenty on in the shade 390. I do want to try that little concealer trick that I've been seeing all over like TikTok and everything. If you put on your concealer like this, it kind of gives you like a lifted kind of look, I guess. Now that I have the concealer all blended out, I'm gonna set it and it's gonna come together for sure. It's so hard to do my makeup, like my concealer, because I have this wing liner on and I just like gotta go over it a bit. Alright, so I found a way to make this actually look really good, you guys. And I'm really happy with how my base turned out. Like, I'm truly happy with it. I found a way to make the Fenty powder foundation work for me, and instead of just using it on its own, a trick that I found is I think it is so great to use with foundations that are a little bit too light. All you need to do is just use the Fenty powder foundation, or honestly any powder foundation, and kind of use it as like a set type of thing, but it's not just setting, it's also adding coverage to your face and your makeup look. And truly very impressed. Like, I love it so much that I finally found a way that makes it work for me, and I'm really happy. Do you guys see what it was before and how it looks now? Really beautiful. It gave me coverage, you know, so this is great. I will continue to use that combo because I really enjoyed it. By the way, that thing that I said about the lip mask is right. It's literally already faded off my lips. Like, it was shinier before. Remember how shiny it was? Now it's just like, is it even still there? Like, I don't even know where it is. So, not really a fan of the lip mask, to be honest. Let's go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow palette because I'm excited to play with this. It is really pretty. I'm just surprised that it was named I Love You Forever, even though there's like 3 green shades in here. So, let's go ahead and start off with the shade right here called Wishful as our transition shade, and I'm just going to basically take this shade all throughout the crease as my transition. Oh my gosh, I love Violet Voss's eyeshadow formula. Okay, so this shade blended out beautifully. Love it as a transition shade. Love Violet Voss's eyeshadow formula. Seriously, like, that shade had literally no fallout, which I'm so impressed by. Oh, I'm falling in love with the eyeshadow formula all over again. Like, literally no fallout. I need to clean my brushes, you guys. I am just all over the place. I'm gonna go in with the shade Endless Desire. Let's go ahead and start like adding a little bit of a depth in the crease, you know. Okay, I am gonna take a bit of the shade Charmed, which is this really dark brown. It's the darkest brown in the palette. And I'm just gonna also add this in the crease to kind of darken it up a bit. I don't really know if it's like darken it up how I thought it would be. Like, this is the brown right here, and it's not like really getting as dark as I wanted. I thought it was gonna be a deeper brown. That's cool, I guess. I guess that's fine. I want my crease to be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that black. I might regret this, but I just want this black in the crease because I need it to be dark, dark, dark because I want to like cut the crease. I just need some dimension in the crease for when I cut it. Yes. See, this is what I wanted. This is what I thought the brown was gonna do, but it didn't do that for me. I am gonna go back into this, the shade Wishful, and just kind of like soften up the edges. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. Okay, just taking my ColourPop cream shadow in the shade Bronco. I alternate between the two. I took the crease a lot higher than normal because I really want the shadow to show. Even with my eyes open, I love the effect of still being able to see this shadow on my lid. I have hooded eyes, so I tend to like to take my crease a little bit higher so you're able to still see. I am gonna take a like pencil type of brush, and I am gonna go back into the black a little bit just to kind of like intensify the crease. I am gonna go in with the shade Olive Me. The shade is really pretty. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. And I'm just gonna put this all on the lid. So pretty. I want to amp this up even more and go in with the shade I Love You right here. Ooh, is this a duochrome? No, I don't know if it is, but I'm just gonna take this in the inner corner, kind of. Taking another small fluffy blending brush, and we're just gonna take that shade Charmed on the lower lash, which is that dark brown shade that didn't really work out for us. And we're gonna go into the shade Major Spotlight, and this is gonna be our inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some lashes and a lip, and we'll be back for my final thoughts on this January Base Box box. Okay, you guys, so here's the finished look using the products, well, some of the products in my Boxycharm base box for January. Let's go ahead and add up the value of this box. The value of this month's base box is $150, so that's really good. Like I said, I only paid $25 for this box, which is a good thing. Like, I'm really happy about that. My favorite items, honestly, in this box were the Pharmacy moisturizer, the Pure tinted moisturizer, surprisingly, as well as the Violet Voss I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette. Like, these three items made this whole box really, really good. I love this. As I was doing it, you guys heard me talk about how much I loved this palette and this formula. I found a way to really make this work, so I'm really happy I got this. I feel like this base, even though it low-key looks, no, low-key girl, it looks high-key full glam. I think the lashes made this look kind of full glam. I can use this with the Fenty powder foundation on days where I only want a light coverage of makeup, which I'm so happy I finally figured out how to get that powder foundation to work for me and how I like to use it, and I think it works beautifully. Love this. I love how this made my skin feel. I did not care for the lip mask. It is just way too thin to honestly be a lip mask. This felt more like a lip oil to me, but yeah, and it did not last. Like, I have only been like filming for what, maybe an hour, so it lasted about less than that because, you know, like I just didn't like this. And then this lip gloss I didn't try, but I will definitely include this in a future giveaway, you guys. Get ready, I'm about to hit 2,000 subscribers, which I am, oh my gosh, that is just amazing. And I'm gonna have another huge giveaway coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. But all in all, this was a really great start to this month's Boxycharm. I cannot wait to see the premium. I'm so excited for it. Let me know if you guys love these try-on Boxycharm. I feel like it's just a little bit of a different way than I normally do them. I actually loved trying on the products. Hopefully the premium is just as amazing, and there's some really good products in there to try. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.